It's the motherfucking ghost, nigga. Go get her music, you know what I'm saying? Yeah, it's the motherfucking ghost out the 409. These niggas not cause they know Big Red's mode on grind. And I'ma shine, I ain't lying without even trying. You run up on me wrong, I swear on my mama you lying. Flat on your back, not from a heart attack. Because you know I be coming dumping like name was Shaq. Nigga, I got the Mac in my black backpack. A face mask, nigga, cause you know it's like that. Goon mode, don't want a nigga to explode. Cause I'm telling you, I do you dirty if you set up the road. Do my time and get back out and hop back on my grizzle. I'm a thug fucking nigga and that shit be official. You niggas got that damn beef, I shoot them damn many missiles. 227s through your bottle, to go through you like crystal. Yeah, it's crystal clear, motherfucker, that you ain't a gangster. Me and my niggas thinking twice just before we stank ya. Cause we don't even know if your bitch ass is worthy. I be coming through this bitch, you know I be up early with the birdies, trying to get my smash on. Niggas around here knocking, but they know I get my cash on. Got my cash long, and now these niggas frontin'. Because I'm on, ain't fucking with them, they be thinking I'm stuntin'. But I know you niggas up to no good and you're playing a jack. That's why I chunk you the deuce until you holler back. Continue on about my mission. Got to keep flipping, cause you know what? Big Red is on an expedition. I gotta rise to the top, I got a bubble. And once I make a meal, I'm telling you haters is in trouble. This is straight off the head, all blocks get bled. No money gonna come if your ass is scared. Scary money don't make no money, so you know I be grinding. I ain't tripping cause you know I done chilled out with the shining. Put the chains in the freezer with the grills. I be low-key on this bitch, I'm trying to make a couple of meals while I'm working deals. You know my niggas got them heels, and we be running over mountains and hills. Yeah, the drink spill soon as my nigga turns the corner, hit 3 wheels. I'ma let you boys know I'm back on a mission for skrill. It ain't no stopping my cheddar, it ain't no stopping my shine. You may as well go and back, cause you ain't stopping my grind. Yeah, I came from behind, and I didn't want to race. I stay up on a paper chase, all I want is a big face. If it ain't about no business, I'ma gon' holler back. And everybody know I spit flames when I hop on the track. It's like this, like that, I'm one of 409's coldest. 13 years fucking in the game, and you know I'm holding my shit down. I represent from my town. 409 motherfucker, stay 10 toes down. In the game, I bring pain, I spit flames, everybody know the name. Big Red's the ghost of the game. I'm untamed like that boy Poyo. And I'm kinda like, it ain't no joke. When I be up on my mission, yes, my mind be on my fetty. Motherfuckers ain't ready, chop the game like a machete. I done bounce back like my name was Judy. Pretty soon I'm thinking of shoot my own goddamn movie. House party, jacuzzi, straight living with ladies. Niggas knocking on the daily basis because I am paid. Well, I really don't give a fuck because you haters don't make me. So in the same sentence, I'ma say you haters can't break me.